Wow. That wind came quick. Hey, I didn't even need a professional fan. Haven't been on here in a little bit, so I just thought I would pop on. Giving myself a little self-care today. Had a sore throat the last 2 or 3 days, so today I'm just taking it easy. But oh my goodness, I knew I needed to come out here and just spend time in the sun. It has so many healing properties. Can you hear those wooden wind chimes over there? Wow, look at this. And you have to tie a rock to my feet. I mean, to my ankle. Keep me from blowing away. Oh, goodness. I don't know where that came from. Oh, gosh. It's such a beautiful day today, though. And that wind is welcome. So anyway, I'm just on here just to remind you to get outside. Put your feet on the ground. Having to deal with some ants today, though. But let me back my ass up. Okay. Oh, breathe. Just listen. Just wanted to remind you about that. Have a good day.